baby. Love is a big scam. I can't love her again. I can't love her again. Never and ever in my life. Love na scam. Nobody should tell me about love or forgive. Forgive that useless girl again. May nobody tell me something. Forgive that useless girl again. I'm not forgiving any idiot. I don't forgive anybody. A lot of people have been calling me and asking me to forgive Mary. Even my brother Alex, I am really, really disappointed at you. I'm really, really disappointed. I understand you're trying to make peace, since you feel her and her family has come to apologize, and you feel I should just let bygone to be bygone because it is not you, right? Wise one said something. He was like, brother, forgive him, but use your brain. Come off it now. You guys should stop saying all these things. I'm feeling bad. I am really feeling bad. Come to think of it now. Do you know the suffer that I've gone through? You guys know how it is. You guys know everything from the beginning. And you think it's gonna be that easy? It's not gonna be that easy. Mary did the worst any woman can do on this earth. She did the worst. Now she came to my house with my so-called sister, my so-called sister friend. I should forgive. Everybody's just saying forgive, 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 forgive. Now I'm not a bad person. No, now I want you to just understand it. I'm not a bad person. I should forgive somebody that sold the engagement diamond ring I gave to her. Pull off her wedding ring on top of the table. Still carry her 2 left leg out of my house. Even while she was in the house, she was going out and coming back late at night. I should forgive that kind of being. No, do you want to tell me that is really, really acceptable? I just want to understand. You want them to say that they forgive that kind of person? Because nobody on our hearts they do like that. Because nobody on her they do like that. Because I know so well that if it were you, Alex, I don't know you where something else would have happened. Or is it you, wise one? Now if I tell him, don't spoil your name, you're a good person, don't spoil your name, forgive her, since she has realized her mistake. Let me tell you something, she has not realized any mistakes. She has not realized any mistake. And for me, I just feel it's too late. I just feel it's too late. Like, right now is not the right time. I just feel it's too late. It's too late. For 4 months. Is it not up to 4 months? No peace of mind. No rest. I was down. And you said I should forgive her. Is that easy? Wait, now so forgive me. I want to understand. Is it how forgiveness is? Please, I want to know. Is it how forgiveness is? So I should just let bygone to be bygone just like that. I should just let bygone to be bygone just like that. Impressive. Impressive. We all know Mary. I know what she's capable of doing. I know what her big mom is capable of doing. And I'm not ready to face that crisis right now again. Never in my life. Never, ever, ever, ever in my life. I'm not ready to face such an issue again. A lot of people will not understand. A lot of people will not understand. Last night before I couldn't even sleep. I slept late. I was thinking so bad. I was even crying at that point. I was crying that, okay, this thing when we say the happens is all those times. She make her live and make it just go like that. Now waiting be in my mind. Okay, all these things where they happen all those times. Okay, Lemon should just leave it. Because she has apologized. Oh, awesome. Awesome. Bravo. Yes. I'm okay. I'm a good person. I should not. You want make I just. I'm so sorry. There's no place in my heart to forgive her. There's no place in my heart to forgive Mary. There's no place in my heart to forgive Mary. Like this, I'm scared. My phone will forever be with me always because she can do anything at any moment. You people, that's why I should forgive her. Just know that she can do anything at any moment. Quite all right. I love her. Yes. I'm not a liar. I will say the truth and nobody can beat me. I love her, but I don't know how am I going to just put this word. Should I say I love her, but right now I hate her? Or should I say I once loved her? I don't just understand this frame of mind. I don't just understand I don't just understand myself right now. Should I say I love her or I hate her? Should I say I love her or I hate her? Now, the truth of all this is, please, everybody should be on their own. Everybody should be on their own. I don't want problem. I don't want problem. I don't want issues. I'm trying to avoid a lot of things. Not now. Since I'm not get married, no favor for me. Let me live my normal life. Since I see the right one. Since I see better person who fit me. It's not because of that I'm calm. You be using the advantage. I don't just understand. Okay, because I'm calm. Okay, after all these things, I will still just let bygone to be bygone. Okay, you won't come use my sense. See, people don't understand though. People don't understand. Even in my church, people are calling forgive her. Why do Christians like this kind of? Why we say Christian they like this kind of thing? Because we feel she has pleaded. I should not forgive her so easily. And I will not forget everything that she has done. I will not forget everything that she has done. Do you think it's going to be that easy? Am I Jesus Christ? I'm human, man. I'm human. Even if I want to forgive her, not now, probably in the next 4 or 5 years. Not now. Yes. No cap. Even if I want to forgive her, but probably in the next 4 or 5 years. Not now. Now. No, how on earth? I just want to understand. Okay, if I just wake up in the morning, I would now see the woman that slapped me some months ago. The woman that was pointing finger at me. The woman that was throwing abusive words at me. The woman that never respected me. If I should just wake up, I should just act and say, oh, it's nothing. And I embrace her. No, it's not going to happen. We all should just try to understand this. I know so many of us are Christians, and we're trying to put it to this word like, okay, forgive her. She don't beg. No. Some people beg in a wrong reason. She might truly have her own thoughts or her own plans. I can't let bygone to be bygone. No. Mba, okay, me. I can't let bygone to be bygone. I am heartbroken. Like I am. Only God feel know what they go through my mind like this, Makachuku. Only God. I can't let bygones be bygone. It is really annoying. It is painful. It is annoying and it is painful. I should forgive her. The word forgive came so easily because it was not you, or probably it's, oh my God. I did not pray what I passed through. I did not pray for anybody to just fall into that trap. I did not pray for it. Now, why did you come? To come and beg? Beg for what? No, you came to come and beg for what? And you think I should be calm? Me seeing you around, you think I should be calm? Oh, I will not see you in my... You will not even quarter to near the door to my bedroom. You're not born you where. I don't want to go fit you spoil your acid. You will not even try that. If God to touch my mind, now for that sitting room, you go to stay. Then if I have a guest, you just walk out. Because I cannot get married to an idiot, a fool, a nincompoop, a goat, a cow, a dog, a cock. I cannot get married to an animal. You know if it happen. It can never ever walk. It can't walk. It can't walk. And it won't work. Only those that know my pain, that know. See, if to say not be God, if to say not because of say church where person they go, wait for use your family idea, see, if to say not be church and God where person they fear, wait for use your family idea, see. If you hear David, or if you hear anybody where they answer level for this life again, now run, you go to run. You will run for your life. You will run for your life. If it's not because of God, if not be say woman being they do something because of say okay God there or tomorrow they front oh, I'm not sure that you're going to even survive it. I'm not sure. So right now, you and your family should not come and play games or play any tricks right now. No, I don't want time. I don't want my voice to go. I don't want time. Probably you're going to say, we can never be the way we were before. You know if you be, you know if you happen, you know if you walk. You know if you walk, no vex. It can't happen. It can't happen. I'm sorry. For my fans, I'm sorry for the beautiful people out there. I'm sorry for the beautiful souls out there. It can't work. It can't work out. It can't work between me and Mary. Love, not scam. Not scam. If she's coming back to come and beg me, it's a big scam. Love, not scam. If she's coming back to come and... May nobody... Let me know what I pass through. May nobody just... I don't want. If anybody tell me anything about Mary again, I will block that person, and I'm going to see. I don't want to talk too much. Nobody should tell me about love or forgive. Forgive that useless girl again. May nobody tell me, forgive that useless girl again. I'm not forgiving any idiot. I don't forgive anybody. May nobody just come off my phone right now. Maybe I don't want to see anybody that even want to chat me or tell me to forgive it. I don't want to see anything like that in my phone again. I don't want to see him. I'm not joking. I'm not joking at this point. I don't want to see him. I don't want. Okay, oh.